Welcome to the first series of videos in connecting your SLSS CANAnalyser to the dongle hardware. There are three primary methods of connection. The first one is to manually select the drop-down and choose the COM port if you already know the COM port of your device and select Connect. This will always be the most quick and efficient way if you already know your device connection COM port. The other method is to be able to just simply press Search Module regardless of knowing which COM ports are available. Upon activating the search, the software will go out and actively find a COM port with your dongle attached to it. The final method is to auto-search and connect at startup. If you select this box the next time you start your program, it will automatically initiate a search module activation function and locate your hardware for you. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you on the next training video.